Hello viewers, welcome to brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about Oracle with clause statement. Let's see what is with clause and why we should use with clause in our Oracle. Using the with clause, you can use the same query block in a select statement when it occurs more than once within a complex query. The with clause retrieves the results of a query block and stores it in the user's temporary table space. The with clause may improve performance. This is Oracle SQL Developer. Here we connected with a HR user. So in this worksheet, we will write here some example for with clause. This is with clause keyword with. After then, we have to give the with clause name. Just want to give the name as depth underscore costs, and then as inside the as block we must have to add subquery block here. So here subquery. So inside this depth cost we must have to use some subquery. So I just want to um, give an example to fetch some data from employee and department by using joining between them. So select star from employees. Here alias is e join departments d on d dot department underscore id actually department underscore id equal e dot department underscore id. This is the joining between department and employees. So if I execute this query snippet, we will get some information between these two tables. So I just want to select some sort of column. So I just want to return department name actually d dot department underscore name, then salary sum e dot salary as department depth salary depth cell actually depth totals depth total salary. Okay, so we must have to use group by clause here because we use department name in select statement. So department underscore name. I just want to add order by clause also. Order by d dot department underscore name. Department underscore name. Okay. Ascending. So if I execute this query snippet here, you can see the department wise total salary. So you can here we get total 11 department wise salary, and I just want to add another. I just want to select this depth cost from with clause. If I execute this query snippet, we can get the same records as like a subquery block inside the depth cost. Same records written by using this with clause statement name. So we can add another with clause just using comma and then another with clause avg underscore cost as inside the else block we must have to add another subquery block. So here we can use the with clause name depth cost select star from depth cost. So this is actually depth cost. So I just want to select some information from depth cost, like depth total salary. So I just want to divide by count. Count means here 11, because we uh, face total 11 records from depth cost. So if I execute this query snippet, the average salary here 62219. So this is the average cost. So now I just want to select information from depth costs. I just want to some say information from depth cost. I just want to remove this snippet, and after then I just want to add another where clause. Clause equal department's total salary, and department total salary greater than inside the subquery. I just want to use another subquery block here. Select star from ABG cost. So I just want to give alias depth ABG, actually depth ABG, depth ABG. So this is depth ABG. So if I execute this query snippet, it will return the average salary, department wise average salary. So here we will return salary, department wise salary, greater than average salary. Here we can see only two records, sales and shipping. Those are greater than average salary of those department. So in this way we can explain this with clause. So here we can see the with clause statement that will store fetch the data from a database and store it in temporary table space. So it will enhance our query result, fetching result from database. So we can use it in our Oracle various select statement or various operations. So hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you have any clarification, just leave a message comment in your comment box, then I will fix them. So thank you so much.